Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad bin Shahid, and I am a student of Rehan School, and I am a foundation level student. Today, I am going to review uh, the movie of Three Idiots of the most inspiring educational film I learned ever watched. The movie followed the journey of three engineer students, uh, Rancho, Fran, and Raju. Each student had different dreams, fear, and challenges through friendship, courage, and creativity. They learned that real education is not just about getting food, grades. It is about understanding concepts, solving problems, and become a better person. The character I admired the most was Rancho. He believes that we should stay to gain knowledge, but not just to earn marks or improve other. He encouraged everyone to ask questions, think differently, never stop learning. His famous idea, follow excellence and silence will follow you, is a lesson that can change anyone's life. And another important lesson from the movie is that students should not compare themselves with others. Everyone has unique talents and abilities. Farhan teach us to follow our passion, while Raju remind us that courage and confidence can help us overcome fear. The movie also highlights the pressure that many students face from parents, teachers, and society. It reminds us that mental health is important and that students need encouragement instead of constant pressure. That I learned from Three Idiots is that success is not only about high marks or a good jobs. Real success comes from learning with curiosity, working hustily, helping others, and follow our dreams. We should never be afraid to make mistakes because mistakes help us grow. Overall, Three Idiots is a perfect combination of comedy, emotion, relationship, and valuable life lesson. I highly recommended this movie to every student because it inspires us to believe in ourselves and enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you for watching my review. If you enjoy, please like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Allah Hafiz.